boots, compost, flower pot, flowers, glove, hand fork, sun hat, garden hose, spade, rake, shears, watering can, saw, trowel, insecticide, wheelbarrow, say it with flowers, sweeten with sugar, up with the larks, with minutes to spare, lead with an ace, handle with care, with your bare hands, dine with friends, with all my heart, chat with a friend, cut with scissors, wine with your meal, make do with a sandwich, chips with everything, with a good wind, writes with her left hand, work, smile, teach, study, open, close, chat, sail, plumber at work, a big smile, teach math, study French, open the door, close it quietly, chat over coffee, sail the world, fly, flew, have, had, make, made, run, ran, sit, sat, sleep, slept, stand, stood, is, was. They flew to Spain. They had a coffee. She made a cake. He ran home. They sat on a bench. He slept all night. He stood and waited. It was freezing.